This is the weekly cycle chart for the CAC 40. We have this dominant weekly cycle, which is broken up into these minor half cycles. And what you see here is pretty decent consistency here in the CAC 40 with key lows that have formed pretty close to the idealized timing going back all the way to 2017. And all that simply means is that the cycle rhythms have been pretty consistent here as well. What's going on is that we are in this intermediate term rising phase here. You can see the nice rally off of these two long hammers that really formed here, and that really did form the key low at 61.50. And we are in the rising phase that I mentioned. You can see we are seeing some signs of failure here. Now, what I want to highlight is that there is a mid-cycle low to around the early September time period. So keep that time period in your mind as we shift over to the daily chart. So these are the daily cycles here in the CAC 40. Let's modify this axis here a little bit. On the daily chart, what we really see here is a breakdown on the daily. We have a move through the key daily cycle low at 65.19 after a very muted rally here on the upside. As you can see, what this says is that the high has likely formed early in this cycle, and we are in this corrective period here for the rest of that cycle. The key short-term low is due July 20th to July 28th. So that's really the timing for the next short-term low. It'll be key for this to see a breakdown in this daily momentum. You can see it has now neutralized. That's why we have these gray colored bars. Watch for this slim ribbon to turn red to confirm that shift from positive momentum to negative momentum. On the downside here, in this next short-term corrective period, we're only looking for a move down to this intermediate term 50 to 61.8. So that's from 64.10 or so to 63.47. What I want to do is just look a little bit forward here. And you can see the next key daily low is really where that mid-cycle low is likely to form on the weekly here as well. So what we're looking for is, if this plays out as I've drawn, one more little rally and then another move back down. So overall, it does look like the highest odds favor some downside risk here in the CAC 40.